Hi everyone and welcome back to Sonyas Prep. Today I just wanted to take you along on an evening with me where I'm going to be making some dinner. I'm going to be making some chicken thighs and french fries. I also wanted to make some baby food with you. Yehuda, my youngest, is starting solids, which is so cute and exciting. So I'm going to be making some carrots, apples, sweet potato. He's also starting on yogurts and cereal, which is cute. So come along with me. Let's roll up our sleeves and let's get prepping. So I just finished washing up all of these fruits and veggies. He's had all of these fruits and veggies before, so now I'm at the stage where I'm mixing and matching all of them. So I'll be mixing some carrots with apples, some sweet potato and mango, or things of that sort. I'm going to be steaming them this time, so I have a pot here. I filled it up with a bit of water, and I'm putting in the steaming basket and plopping in all of these fruits and veggies and having that steam until they are cooked through. So this is what's for dinner. I have some chicken thighs and I have sweet potato. There was just way too much sweet potato for the baby. So I figured why not have it as one of our side dishes. For those who don't like it, I will make regular french fries. So over here I have some garlic powder that I'll be using, some regular sweet paprika just to give it a nice beautiful color, some seasoning salt, and black pepper. Truthfully, put in whatever seasoning you like. And I'm going to be adding in a little bit of avocado oil and giving the chicken and potatoes a little bit of a massage. I do put the potatoes with the flesh down so they don't dry out. And into the oven it goes for about an hour and a half until it gets all nice and toasty and cooked. I'm going to keep it in at 400 degrees and I'll show you what it looks like when it's done.
Hey, that's my mosquito.
While the chicken, right? I always feel like I'm going to say kitchen. While the chicken is cooking in the oven, I'm getting started on the salad, and this is basically like cleaning out my fridge, whatever I have in there. So I have some lettuce, I have scallions, peppers, a little bit of carrot, corn on the cob, avocado, and a few cherry tomatoes. And we're gonna make a delicious dressing to go along with it. I'm gonna also be adding in some sprouted pumpkin seeds. I get this in Costco. I'm gonna toast them up and it's going to be great. So that will be for dinner today. this point, the apple and the carrot and sweet potato are nice and soft, so I can turn that off and just let it cool, and then I'll puree everything. So now we're making this salad dressing. I have 1.5 cups of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of mustard. You could use any type of mustard really. I'm using the ones that are, I don't know why I can't think of the name, with the seeds inside of it. Some stone ground mustard, but any mustard will really do. I'm mincing up some garlic. You could add this to taste, however much garlic you prefer in your family. Then we're going to be adding in a bunch of seasonings. So I'm going to add in some garlic powder, black pepper, and onion powder. And I would say about 1/2 teaspoon of each of them. So onion powder, black pepper, garlic powder, a little bit of soy sauce, about 2 teaspoons, a teaspoon of onion soup mix, and that's it. Just give everything a good mix, and that's the salad dressing. Into the actual salad, I'm going to be adding in these mini croutons. I like them a lot because I feel like they stay nice and crunchy. And I've already toasted up some sesame seeds. This is all I had left. I have to get more. And that's it. Delicious salad, ready to go for dinner. It's all nice and ready and looking yummy and delicious. Nice and crispy skin. Let's look at the sweet potato. Oh, it's hot. Looking great. Can't believe my baby is already 6 months old and he's starting on solids. He's already been on solids for about 3 weeks now. So I'm mixing some stuff now. I'm getting some variety in him. So now that everything is nice and soft and cooled, I'm going to be pureeing it all. So we're going to be starting off with some sweet potatoes. And I do a mixture of baby-led weaning and purees. That's just what's worked for us as a family. It's the easiest thing for me to do. And the baby gets exposed to both pureed foods and solids at the same time. I just take it nice and slow and it just works. So let's get everything into the food processor. I am going to be using my Ninja Bullet, I guess. It has this attachment where I can do small batches of stuff. And when they're done, I'm gonna be placing them into these little types of containers or something like this. And I could freeze half of it, or I could just portion them out. And this is gonna be lasting me for a while. So far I placed some of them into these little containers. I filled them up halfway because I want to add something else to this. And any extras, I'm adding them into these ice cube trays because once they're frozen, I can easily pop them out and save them in a Ziploc bag so I can easily access it when I need it. And in order to heat it up, all I have to do is take out a few of these cubes from the Ziploc bag and add it to some of my warmed breast milk or some formula or even hot water, and it's good to go. You could also mix this with oatmeal or any kind of baby cereal that is to your liking. Okay, and into the same thing, I'm not even going to wash it. I'm going to puree some carrots now. As you can see, it's a little bit thick, so I'm going to add a little bit of water. Water is just going to help it smooth it out and just easily process. I'm gonna put the carrots into here and freeze it, and then next week I can use it in different mixtures that I want to give to the baby. I actually found some more ice cube trays, which I'm so excited about because it's just easier to grab small portions of it when I need it than just storing so much in the fridge and then it doesn't get used and it's a waste. So I'm putting the apples in here too. I already have mango like this in the freezer. It's just nice to have on hand. Just going to be covering everything up. This is going to be for this week, for the next 3 days or so, and whatever's left over I can use another day. So they'll have about 4 days worth over here. And for these, for me to properly freeze them, I'm going to cover them tightly with some plastic wrap. And place that into the freezer. Well, that's it, guys. I know this is a very quick video, but I just felt like recording today doesn't really happen often. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, maybe got something out of it. I am very proud of all my baby food that I at least prepped today. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Happy prepping from my family to yours.